Is your micro SD card not showing up in devices and drives even after inserting it into your PC? Let's fix it fast. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix the micro SD card not showing up issue in Windows 10 and Windows 11 in less than 1 minute. As you can see, the micro SD card is inserted, but it is not visible here. Let's fix it. Go to the Start menu and search for Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now click on this option to open Disk Management. As you can see, the micro SD card is visible here, but the problem is that Windows has not assigned a drive letter to it. So let's assign a drive letter. Right-click on your SD card drive and click Change Drive Letter and Paths. Now, as you can see, there is no letter assigned here. To add one, click the Add button. Now select any drive letter that is not already in use, and then click OK. As you can see, the drive letter is now visible with our SD card. Now close Disk Management and check if the issue is fixed. As you can see, our SD card is now showing in devices and drives, and the issue has been fixed successfully. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes.